500? Serious 500?
Serious, bro.
Hello and good morning everybody, it's Ik here again. What 500? Well, actually, we like to announce to all of you that we just reached our milestone with 500 subscribers.
Oh my god! Wow!
Thank you to all of you that keep supporting us from the beginning of this YouTube channel. Since October 2021, we have produced more than 37 videos consists of full car review, test drive experience, car maintenance, as well as product review. And today, we would like to announce that we are giving away the Samsung Watch 4 to our lucky subscriber. But there is a catch. We will only proceed with the giveaway when we reach 1000 subscribers. Let me explain to you the step to join our giveaway contest. Okay, first, you need to subscribe to our channel. So, press that subscribe button and press that bell button as well. Second, comment THG giveaway in the comment section below for every video that we post starting today. And third, spread the word out and share this video to your friends and families so that everybody will have the chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. That's it. 3 simple steps for you to follow to get a chance to be the lucky winner in this giveaway contest. As I mentioned just now, we will proceed with the giveaway only when we reach 1000 subscribers. Once again, we would like to say thank you to our viewers and subscribers for making this channel live. Remember the 3 steps that I shared with you just now, and may the luck of Samsung Watch 4 to be with you. I'm Ik signing off for these short videos. See you guys soon. Bye bye.